Welcome to my review of Datapine, a business analytics platform designed to make it easier for companies to leverage their data. Whether you're working in finance, marketing, or sales, having the right analytics tool is crucial. Datapine promises to help businesses visualize, analyze, and make decisions based on their data. But does it deliver? The first thing I noticed when exploring Datapine was its intuitive interface. Unlike some other complex platforms, Datapine has a user-friendly design that allows even non-technical users to build and interpret dashboards with relative ease. The drag-and-drop functionality is smooth, and the templates provided are helpful for creating reports quickly. One of the standout features of Datapine is its data visualization capabilities. The platform offers a wide variety of charts, graphs, and reports that can help users interpret data in more meaningful ways. For companies that rely on data to track performance metrics, this is a big plus. However, while the visualizations are nice, I did find the customization options a bit limited compared to other platforms on the market. Some users may want more flexibility in tweaking the design to match specific needs. Another major aspect of Datapine is its integration with other tools. The platform connects easily with a wide range of databases, such as Google Analytics, Salesforce, and SQL, which is crucial for businesses with data spread across multiple platforms. I was able to integrate my data sources relatively quickly, but I did run into a few hiccups during setup. It's not always seamless, and troubleshooting integration issues can take some time, especially if you're working with less common data sources. Now, let's talk about the performance. Datapine delivers fast analytics, but the more data you add to the system, the slower it can become. For smaller businesses with a limited data set, this may not be an issue, but larger enterprises may experience slower processing times as the data grows. It's something worth considering if you plan to scale up your business or data usage in the future. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Giftmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. In terms of pricing, Datapine's plans are on the higher side compared to some other tools. For startups and small businesses with tighter budgets, this might be a barrier to entry. However, if your company relies heavily on business intelligence and analytics, the investment might be worthwhile. The platform does offer a free trial, so you can test the features before committing. Overall, I would say Datapine is a solid choice for businesses looking to streamline their data analysis. It offers powerful visualization tools and integrates well with other platforms, though its performance could be better with larger datasets. If you're okay with the price and can work with a few minor limitations in customization and performance, it could be a great asset to your team. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews of business tools. Thanks for watching.